So this video is going to be a very quick video on how to build formulas quickly. So let's say that we have a data set over here where we have revenue split down by geography and the geography revenue split further down by products. And what we want to do here is we want to use the sum function to sum these three line items. So what we would ordinarily do is we would ordinarily use the equal key, press sum, and then add a parentheses and select by using the arrow key and the shift key, select the area and a parentheses to close the formula and press enter. So that is what we will usually do. But a quicker way to do that is, number one, I do recommend that you use the plus key to start off formulas from now on. And this is especially important if you're using a full-size keyboard, or if you're using a laptop computer that has a plus key on the far right. I highly recommend that you use the plus key instead of using the equal key, because it's much more easier to locate and much more easier to press, especially when you're doing your work very quickly. So use the plus key to start a formula. And number two, when you enter your formula, whichever formula that you use, well, Microsoft Excel is going to create some options that you could use. And what you want to do is you want to use the tab key instead of using the parentheses key. You want to use the tab key to open your formula, to start your formula. And then you would select your desired cells. And again, there's no need to close your formula at the end. All you have to do, you want to press enter, and your formula has been created. So there were a couple things where you could save time. Instead of using the equal key, use the plus key, and using the tab key to start your formulas. And lastly, not adding a parentheses and simply pressing enter. It's going to save some time and improve your efficiency. And this is going to be much more efficient. Instead of, if you're, for example, making an average of these three revenues, you don't even have to type in the entire formula. You could simply just move around and press the tab key to start your formula, and then select the rows and press enter, and that does the job. So let's finish off these cells by doing the things we've just learned. So the plus key, sum function, tab, select area, enter without parentheses. We're going to select the entire set of historical data, Control R to copy to the right, and you can see that our sum function has been automatically created perfectly. And you can see that these are currently aligned to the center, so we want to align these to the right. So Alt-H-A-R to align right. Again, for Europe as well, the sum key, tab, enter. This time it's formatted, it's already aligned to the right, so no need for additional formatting. Again, sum key to the right. And lastly, for revenue, it's going to be the sum tab of the US, comma, Europe, comma, other countries. Enter, Control right, Alt-H-A-R to align to the right. So remember that when we're working in investment banking, private equity, or whatever financial industry that you work, you're going to be extremely busy. And I think every bit helps to increase your efficiency and reduce your work time. So we've learned how to build formulas efficiently, and let's move on to formatting, on how to format our cells, such as column width, row heights, and increasing and decreasing indents.